Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to install Hadoop in Windows 10. So to install Hadoop in Windows, we need to install prereq first, which is Java. As we all know, Hadoop only supports Java version 8. So firstly, we need to download Java version 8, then configure its file. So now let's go ahead and download Java first into our local system and then also Hadoop. So you can see that this web page belongs to Oracle, and here you will getting your Java development kit. So these are various versions available for Java 8 for Linux as well as Windows. So we need the JDK which is compatible with Windows. So this link will redirect you and download JDK version 8 into our system. Once you click on it, it will ask you to accept the license from Oracle. And now click on download for download. Now here it is downloading. As JDK is getting downloaded, here we shall now move ahead and download Hadoop for our systems. So this particular web page belongs to Apache organization where we can download Hadoop for free. There are various versions available, so we shall select latest version of Hadoop, but make sure we are not actually downloading the exact latest version of Hadoop. We have to select the version which is earliest to it, because this will be the stable version. So this 3.2.2 is the stable version. So now move ahead and download its binary. Now let's select the mail link and your Hadoop will be downloading. And here you can see the Hadoop is downloaded. Now, so here you can see in the Java version 8 and Hadoop is actually moved into my C drive. Now let's install Java first, and make sure you create a new folder for Java which I already created. Now let's start it with Java. Now select next, and we want to move this file into our new created Java folder. So let's select change. Now local Windows C and Java. Select click OK and look. Okay, now select next, and as you can see, process is moving. Now Java is installing, the process is moving forward. Click on OK, and now next, and now Java is installing in our Windows system. So here you can see Java is successfully installed. Now close. Now we shall enter into program file and move our JDK into Java file, because sometime there will be an error while we set environment variables for Java. So you can see inside program file there is also another folder for Java. So inside Java there we have our JDK. So what I will be doing is just moving this Java JDK into Java file which we have created in local drive C. So now we just delete this Java file from program file so that we don't. Now you have your Java and JDK in one single file, which is Java, that is that is you have created in Windows C drive. Now we should move ahead and set in environment variable for Java. So click Window, Setting, and enter select the system, and inside system we just type environment. We select the edit the system environment. We select the edit environment variable. Now we have this dialog box. So here select the environment variable. Inside environment variable, you need to set the Java home as well as the path. Path for select new, and here let us add the location of JDK bin and just type the name Java home. Now we have to add the Java bin path. So our JDK bin location is in the C drive, and drive we have the Java folder, and inside the Java folder we have a JDK, and inside the JDK we have our bin location. So this will be our home location for Java, and then select OK, and then we move, and then now we move into the next dialog box, which is the system variable, and then inside system variable select path, then click on edit. Now we have this dialog box, and here create a new path variable, which will be the same, will be the JDK path, the same location that is the bin of JDK. Select OK, and then select OK again. Now Java is successfully installed into our system. Now let's check Java is functional or not. Now just select command prompt, and inside command prompt just type Java. See, yes, Java is successfully installed. Now let's install Hadoop. Since the extension of the file is star, so we have to extract it first, which is already I ready, and here this is file which I extracted, and inside this folder there is also another file which we need to extract it, and I already did it. And here this file, inside this file there is also one folder Hadoop, and we open it, and here this is a file called etc. Inside this etc there is another folder Hadoop. In Hadoop, inside Hadoop we have to edit 5 files which are we are going to edit the file which are, the first one is core site.xml, yarn site.xml, hdfs site.xml, and MapReduce site.xml, and the last one which we have to edit is Hadoop environment, which is window command prompt type of file. We have to edit this file and then set environment. So now let's start this. Let's start with the core site.xml. We have to configure it, and I already typed the code here, and you can use this. And now let's go with MapReduce site, and here I already typed the code here. You can use this one, and then now edit the yarn site.xml file, and I typed this code already. Save it. Now we are moved to hdfs site.xml, but before adding hdfs site.xml file, we need to go to C directory, and inside Hadoop and go inside Hadoop, and here we need to create a new folder. So let's start this. Now here you can see we are in a C directory, and in C directory we are inside the Hadoop tar file, and inside the tar file we are in a Hadoop 3.3.1, and there is also another folder inside 3.3.1 Hadoop file. So in this we are going to create a folder name as data, which I already created, and inside data we are going to create a two folder. One is data node folder, another one is name dot folder. What we actually need is their path. Let's copy this path. Now let's move ahead and edit HDFS file. Here you can see I already typed the code, and the replication is actually 3, but we use 1 because we are now working on our local system, so we want to save memory. Now let's edit environment file. Here at Hadoop environment file, we need to add the actual path which we are using during Java installation. Now let's go setting and type environment. And here go to environment variable and go there and copy this path. Okay. Now we copy the path and paste it here, and we remove bin because we need to go in a JDK path. So now we edit all these files. So let's go ahead and first save it and then set the environment for Hadoop. Now inside environment variable we click on new and type the Hadoop home, and here we need to provide a path for bin folder which is inside Hadoop folder, and here you can see. So inside Hadoop folder you can find the bin path. You can copy it from here and paste it there. So now click on OK button, and here in system variable we need to edit path. Go to edit, and here we click on new and copy the same path which we are using in environment variable. And now before click on OK, you make sure that we have to add another path variable, and that is the path of sbin. So let's find here inside Hadoop the path for sbin. So here inside Hadoop folder you can find the sbin folder, and from here you can copy that path and paste it in the system variable path. Click on new and paste the sbin path here, then click OK again, and here Okay, now we have set up all the environment variables and the path. Now we are good to go, and let's check our Hadoop is working properly or not. Okay, now open CMD and type HDFS name node space dash format. So here you can see we successfully install Hadoop, and so thank you very much.